In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe audio in Evernote. This is a handy feature, especially if you're someone who loves to capture thoughts on the go, or if you frequently find yourself needing to transcribe meetings, lectures, or interviews. Let's dive into the process and see just how easy it is to turn your audio recordings into text right within Evernote. First, let's open Evernote on your preferred device. It's important to have it installed and logged in to get started. Once you've opened Evernote, navigate to an existing note where you'd like to transcribe the audio or create a new note. If you're creating a new one, simply click or tap on the option to make a new note, and you'll be ready to start. Now, with your note open, you want to focus on the menu options at the top or bottom, depending on your device. Look for the Insert menu. This is the gateway to adding all sorts of multimedia content to your notes, including images, sketches, and, of course, audio recordings. Go ahead and click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Audio Recording. This feature is quite powerful, allowing you to capture audio without needing any third-party applications. The moment you select audio recording, it will start recording automatically. Now, this would be the right time to begin speaking. Remember that the clarity of your speech and the absence of background noise will significantly impact the accuracy of the transcription, so try to speak clearly and in a relatively quiet environment. You'll notice the recording actively capturing your voice. Don't rush. Take your time to collect your thoughts and speak naturally. There's no time limit, so you can record as much as you need. Once you've finished recording your audio, the next step is straightforward. Look for the stop button within the recording interface. Clicking stop will end the recording process. It's important to give Evernote a few moments to process the audio file, especially if it's lengthy. After you've successfully stopped the recording, you'll notice that a Transcribe button appears alongside your audio file in the note. This button was designed to make the transcription process seamless. By clicking Transcribe, Evernote will automatically convert the audio into text and display it within the body of your note. This could take a little time, particularly if the recording is long or if your internet connection is slow, so patience is key. And that's it. You've now transcribed an audio recording right in Evernote. This tool can save you a significant amount of time and effort and is incredibly useful for keeping digital records of your spoken thoughts and conversations. Whether you're a student capturing lectures, a journalist recording interviews, or just someone who prefers talking over typing, this feature can be a real game changer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.